You know what's funny? There are people surrounded by hundreds of students every day, but still they eat their lunch alone. They know everyone, they attend every lecture, they see faces, but still they don't have their own people. And every night they wonder what's wrong with me. If you ever open Instagram, seeing people going on trips, hanging out together, while you still sitting in your PG wondering why nobody texts you first, then this video is gonna be for you. In this video, I'm not gonna give you the random advice like just smile more, be confident, join societies. No, I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to do to make friends and why people actually fail to make friends. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you something very uncomfortable that nobody talks about. Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mahi Bansal. I'm currently pursuing BCom Honors from Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to actually make friends. Let's begin. When we enter college, we imagine those Bollywood friendships like trips, birthday parties, people who actually become your family, and a lot of things. But the reality is that when you enter your college, groups seems to be already formed. You see people are already talking like they are so familiar to themselves. You don't know where to sit, you don't know whom to talk with, and then after 1 week you convince yourself that maybe people don't like you. But no, that's not the reason. Here's the truth. The truth is that most people around you are thinking exactly the same thing. You think that they are not scared, but they are also scared. They are just good at pretending that they are not scared, and that's why nothing happens. Now, the biggest lie that we have been taught was that you will naturally find your people. No, you won't. I don't think. Because friendships are not found, they are built. Think about your school best friend. Did you guys become best friend because destiny chose both of you? No, right? You sat together, you had lunch together, you talked to each other, you shared pens, you talked about teachers, you talked about a lot of things, and then you became best friend, right? So friendships are built, they are not born. When you do repeated interactions with someone, they automatically become your best friend. Now, college does not force those interactions anymore. If you wait, you will lose. You will not be able to make friends. Now, here's the advice nobody gives you. When you enter college, stop thinking that you need to make friends. Yes, instead collect micro interactions. Like if like I give you a challenge to give compliment to someone, to a stranger, let's say. So you can just approach and say like give one genuine compliment. You can just approach and say, hey, I just saw you from there and you look extremely gorgeous. Like your curls are so good and you are looking so pretty. Like they'll just be so happy and they'll, feel extremely comfortable talking to you. Because one genuine compliment can, make them feel happy. So if you just interact with someone by giving them one compliment that I just noticed you from there and you look so pretty, you're so gorgeous, you are naturally so beautiful, or you're effortlessly very cute. If you give one compliment, random compliment to someone, this is what micro interaction is. Like you just don't have to think like I need to make someone friend. I know that sometimes it's very difficult to approach someone and to give them a compliment. Like what would they think? What if they behave negatively and whatever? But like just believe me, if you give compliment to someone, they'll be extremely happy because you make them feel valued, and when you make people feel valued, they will give you value as well. Now, here's the most interesting part. Most people think that the friendships are made because of the deep conversations, but it's not true. You don't need to overshare something with someone to make them friends. Like, I've seen people making this mistake a lot to make friends, is to overshare. Like, they overshare with someone on the first day, thinking that they'll be good friends now. It's not true. You don't have to overshare with someone on the first day, like, until you trust them a lot. Friendships are not built because of the one deep conversations. Friendship are built because of many conversations. Small 20 conversations will make a friendship. You just need to do small mini conversations with them every single day for like 20 days, and then you'll be good friends, right? Now, before I tell you the best method to make friends, I'll tell you a psychology. So, there's a psychology that changes everything. The name of the psychology is the mere exposure effect. The more frequently people see you, the more familiar you become. This is what this psychology says. So it's basically that your brain likes familiar faces. Like, have you noticed something that the shopkeeper that you've seen for many years, you start trusting them a lot, right? You would like to go to that shopkeeper only because you have seen them for years. Not because you had very deep conversations with them, but because you have seen them for years. That's what the mere exposure effect psychology says. The more people you see, the more familiar you become with them. So now let's talk about how this psychology is gonna help you to make friends. So let's say you entered in college and everyone is already friends and you don't have any friends in college. You can still make friends by this psychology only. What you have to do is that don't disappear after class. Just be a familiar face, become a familiar face. Like, have you noticed that the person who starts answering questions in class suddenly becomes very noticeable and people starts approaching the person to be friends with? You know what, half the battle is won when you are repeatedly being seen. Half the battle is won there only, because when people see you a lot of times, they become familiar to you and they starts approaching you to become their friend. So even if you don't have any good friends, you have to become a familiar face in your class. Start answering questions, sit at different places. Don't sit at the back, don't be just silent and sit at the back. You have to sit in the middle or maybe sit in the front. Start answering questions to the teachers, and start chatting in the groups that is there, like class groups में तो chat कर ही सकते हो. So start chatting there, and you will become a familiar face. And when you become a familiar face, people will start approaching you on their own, and you'll find a good friend then. Now, before giving the extreme solution, I'm gonna give you a challenge. The challenge to approach someone every day, approach a stranger, not 10, just one per day, and then you'll see something changing in yourself. You'll become better at communicating, you'll become an extrovert from introvert. Like, see, you're not trying to be best friends with them, you are just increasing your probability of becoming friends with someone. Like, let's say, if I'm uploading videos on YouTube, the probability is that it won't go viral. Like, mine are already not. So it won't go viral, but still I'm uploading the videos. Even after seeing 100 views on my previous video, the hope of getting 110 views on my next video. But if I upload 100 videos on YouTube, the chances are one video will eventually go viral. It may go viral, right? So the same thing you have to do with yourself. You have to approach people, you have to talk with them, just ask their name. If you just go and tell that I just wanted to tell you that you are so pretty, you're so gorgeous, and you slay, then that I can guarantee you that they will ask your name themselves. They'll just say, oh, thank you so much, what's your name, by the way? They'll initiate the conversation by them only. So this is what you have to do. I'm giving you a challenge to approach someone, to talk to strangers, to give them compliments, and to learn to approach and communicate with someone, because nowadays the art of communication is very important in any field you talk about. Now I'm gonna give you the extreme solution to make friends. So let me tell you what I did on my first day at SRCC. So what people do is to chase popularity, right? To chase popular groups, कि हमें तो किसी popular group में दोस्त बनना है जिसमें बहुत सारे already दोस्त हैं, वो तो बहुत popular group है. Don't chase groups. What I did on my first day of college, okay, before telling that, I uploaded a video on my channel, the story time of my first day at SRCC. You will relate with that, you will definitely love that, so go and watch that video on my channel. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I'm bringing a lot of crazy videos on my channel. You should go watch and subscribe. Okay, so what I did on my first day of college, I didn't approach a group, I approached a single girl who was sitting alone, because that had a probability that she was also looking for a friend, and she will talk with me, she will communicate, if I approach her, then that will be good for both of us, right? And honestly, the most lifelong friendship does not start with you thinking that you have to go in a popular group that is already made. The friendship start with you approaching someone who also needed a friend, and you will end up becoming a best friend. And also note one thing, you don't have to think that your friendship will last forever. Like, don't attach yourself a lot to friendships, because friendship may or may not be there for like after 2 months, 2 weeks, or maybe after 2 days. But the thing is that you don't have to attach yourself a lot. Like, let's say if I attach myself a lot to views on my channel, I won't be able to make next video after getting 100 views on my first video, because I attached myself a lot to views, right? So if you attach yourself a lot to friendship, then after losing one friendship, you won't be able to approach someone else. Now I'm going to tell you the mindset shift you need. So basically, you don't need to chase friendship like everyone should like me. You just need to chase friendship like, let's see, if I like that person, I'll make that person a friend only if I like that person. Not, I don't have to change myself, according to that person so that he or she likes me. You don't have to do that. Okay, I talked about this in my another video also, that is how to be cool. So if you want to watch that video, then go on my channel and watch this video. This is so crazy and you'll love it. Now, the most uncomfortable truth is that not everyone would like you. Sometimes they are just shy, sometimes they have their own people, sometimes they will not like you for whatever reason they have. You don't have to get disheartened by that, because not everyone is gonna like you. You don't have to be a people pleaser that everyone should like you. Some people will like you, some will not like you. So don't take it a lot on your hurt and move ahead. Like, you'll definitely find your people. Let me give an example. So I'm uploading this video on YouTube. 100 people would watch this video. 10 would extremely dislike me. They would hate me for a reason. And other 90 would be like, ठीक ही है, right? So not everyone is gonna like me, and I'm extremely okay with that. You also have to same thing in your mind, that not everyone is gonna like you. If this video made you feel a little less alone, then send this to someone who might be alone and maybe they are waiting for someone to send them and to tell them that they are not alone in this. And if you don't have any friend, then don't worry, I'm your friend. Subscribe to my channel, we'll connect personally. You can reach out to me on my Telegram. I'll be happy to be your friend. And don't worry much. Even if you don't have friends, you have got a lot in your life. Just comment me down anything you want to share and I will reply to every comment. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. मिलते हैं आपको next video में.